Hi, we are at the Startup Masterclass being organized at IIT Kanpur campus today, and we have the honor of joining Professor Abhay Karandikar. You are the director for IIT Kanpur. Welcome, sir.
Thank you.
So, sir, it's been a historical occasion, I believe, that such a huge level, initiative has been organized by the alumni, association of IIT Kanpur. So, what's your thought? What are your thoughts on this initiative?
So actually we see this as a very important platform. Jointly we did it in association with IIT Kanpur alumni, and we see this as an important platform where we can bring together entrepreneurs, investors, alumni mentors together on one platform, and IIT Kanpur can provide the technology expertise in different technology areas like cyber security, defense and aerospace, manufacturing, and medtech and agri-tech, where IIT Kanpur has expertise. And IIT Kanpur can provide really the technology support, and we can get entrepreneurs and investors on one platform. And I believe this can transform the startup movements into a very big ecosystem.
Okay, wonderful. We also heard about an MOU of understanding and a letter of intent being signed with Niti Aayog.
Yes.
Can you talk a little bit more about the whole initiative?
So I think as an institution, we would like very closely to work with various government ministries, including, like this MOU we signed with Niti Aayog, which is like a think tank of the government. Niti Aayog has been working on promoting several startup policies also. And in this context, it is very important that we join hands so that together we can realize the vision of the Government of India in inculcating a spirit of startup entrepreneur ecosystem in the country.
Okay.
And so we have signed this MOU for co-branding and co-working together for spreading the entire vision of startup ecosystem.
I see. So can you also talk a little bit about other initiatives which are focused on the startup sector?
So IIT Kanpur already has a very strong innovation and incubation ecosystem. Currently we have set up a separate Section 8 company called FIRST. And which is basically will be managing our incubation and innovation ecosystem. We have already more than 60 plus companies which are incubated. And we are now focusing sector-wise also, like in the our biotech incubator is one of the very strong incubators. We are also looking for now creating a vertical on agri-tech and medtech also, to see that we can realize the potential of IIT Kanpur technology expertise in creating technologies in the agriculture sectors, in health sectors, and also in telecommunications and information technology and the defense sectors. That is what we would focus our energy sector wise as well, so that we can leverage the critical mass that exists in these sectors in IIT Kanpur.
Wonderful. One last question, sir. Since we are currently at the startup, meet which is being held in IIT Kanpur today, what would be your 2 cents of advice to this vibrant, growing community of startups across India, and how would they take this advice in the long run?
Understand the requirements of the market, stay focused, work hard, and develop products and technologies which can really create a lasting impact, both economically and also socially.
Wonderful. Thank you so much for talking to us.
Thank you.
All